Sand versus stone dust. This has long been one of the biggest pushbacks from contractors when talking about installation methods for concrete paving stones. Industry standards set forth by the ICPI mandate that concrete paving stones must be installed on a 1-inch setting bed of loosely screeded C33 sand. This installation detail is shown in every manufacturer's catalog. Contractors, for a variety of reasons, have preferred to use stone dust as an alternative to C33 sand for setting paving stones. The reasons why range from availability, compaction, price, and even a belief that it prevents ants. Let's take a look at why the ICPI specifies C33 sand for this aspect of paving stone installations. First, there are specifications when producing paving stones that manufacturers have to follow. One of these is for height tolerance. The acceptable variance for the height of a manufactured paving stone is plus or minus 1/8 of an inch. We've all been on a job site where there are some different heights in the paving stones. When that product is installed on a stone dust setting course, oftentimes you cannot achieve a level pavement surface because stone dust becomes rigid, not allowing a paver to be compacted into it. When installed on 1 inch of loosely screeded C33 sand, the final pavement surface will be level after compaction because the paver can be compacted into the sand, forcing the sand up into the joints. Second, as a manufacturer, Cambridge offers a lifetime warranty on the product when installed to industry standards. If you install on stone dust, you may void the homeowner's warranty on the paving stones. Finally, and perhaps most important, has to do with the characteristics of these two different materials. C33 sand should have symmetrical particles, generally sharp, washed, with no foreign material. Waste screenings or stone dust should not be used, as they often do not compact uniformly and can inhibit lateral drainage of moisture in the bedding layer. Stone dust does not provide the lockup that is achieved with C33 sand as the setting course. The differences are also key in how each material acts under the paving stones in the installation. Sand is free draining and will not hold moisture. Stone dust, with its high percentage of fines, holds water and causes many issues and even failure of the job. Here we have two identical installations. One is on stone dust, one is on sand. For demonstration purposes, we have not used polymeric sand in the joints. As we introduce water onto the installation to simulate a rain event, you will see how water moves freely through the sand setting course and drains off the installation. The side with the stone dust retains water as the fine particles in the stone dust act like a sponge, retaining water under the pavers. Notice how the water drains out of the side with the sand, while almost no water drains from the side with the stone dust. In markets that install over a concrete base, this is why it is critical to use sand and place weep holes in the concrete slab for water to exit off the installation. Stone dust and holding moisture also leads to increased efflorescence, wet sand joints, and the pavers staying wet. In some cases, it also causes the polymeric sand to fail. As a professional contractor, I hope that you see why this detail is so critical to a proper, problem-free installation. Do the job right. Follow the industry standards set forth by ICPI. For more information, visit our website, www.cambridgepavers.com.